Jeep JK. Can see butts down. There's a tire pressure monitor. The wires for CAN-C go back here, but they splice right there and right there and go back to the PCM. Wire coming from the front is cut. Only got one out of the two. Wire leaves there. Goes here. It's probably broke on top of the gas tank. It's my wire. The Jeep don't start up there.